Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing great by the grace of Allah Almighty. Welcome to FSEX online sport program. I am your teacher Misbah Sajjad from Army Public School and Colleges Rahim Yar Khan Kent, and your class is Prep. Your textbook name is Ready, Steady, Go, and the pages are 105, 106, 107, and 108. Your chapter unit number is 13. Lesson topic name is Vertical Subtraction. Resources required textbook and notebook. Introduction summary of the lesson. Students will be able to solve the subtraction. Here are some objectives of your lesson, and the objectives are: you will be able to do sums, you will be able to answer the questions, you will be able to understand the subtraction. First of all, I am going to tell you about what is subtraction. Subtraction, the process or skill of taking number or amount away from them. This is called subtraction, and this is the sign of subtraction. There is some other name of subtraction, and that are leave, subtract, minus, less, take away, and difference. Here is the comparison and difference between simple subtraction and vertical subtraction. Now look at these pictures carefully. In this way, you completely understand the difference between subtraction and vertical subtraction. In first picture, there are 4 bananas. If I take away 3 bananas from 4, then how many bananas are left? Simply, the answer would be 1. In other picture, you look at the given numbers, and the numbers are 7 minus 3. If we take away 3 from 7, then what would be the answer? Simply the answer would be 4. Here look at the method. Method are same, but the place values of number are different. This is the basic difference between simple subtraction and vertical subtraction. Here is your textbook page number 105. We can subtract by going across, but we can also subtract downward. This is known as vertical subtraction. Both methods are used to count and subtract. First question has been done for you. Look at the other question. There are some ants in this picture. Let's count the ants. There are 7 ants. If I if I take away 4 ants from 7, then how many ants are left there? Simply count, and answer would be in front of you, and the answer is 3. Here is your textbook page number 106. Subtract and write the answer. The first one has been done for you. As you can see in first question, there is 7 sparrows. If we take away 4 sparrows in 7, then how many remains left? Count 7 sparrows, then take away from 4 sparrows, and the answer would be 3. You have to solve the other question in same method. Here is textbook page number 107. In this page, you simply count and take away, and the answer would be in front of you. Here is your textbook page number 108. You just simply count the given pictures in every question and subtract the given number. In total, by subtracting, you get the answer. Here I am going to show you a video. Listen carefully so that you can completely understand the difference between subtraction and vertical subtraction by given examples. My dear students, in this video I am going to tell you about subtraction and vertical subtraction. Okay, what is subtraction? Subtraction are the process or skill of taking numbers or amount away from them. And in vertical subtraction, we can subtract downwards. This is known as vertical subtraction. Both methods are used to count and subtract. This is the sign of subtraction. There are some other name of this sign and that are leave, minus and take away. In addition, we are adding things and in subtraction take away we take away things. Okay, let's see this picture. Here we have some flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here are 5 flowers are there. So now I am going to take away from them one flower. Means we have 5 flowers and I am taking one flower for them. So if we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, I take this flower away. Okay. Now how many flowers are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the answer? How many flowers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer will be the 4. Same is here. Look at this picture. Here are some candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total, how many total candies are there? 7 candies are there. Now I am going to take away 2 candies in 7. So, for example, I take away 1 and 2. These 2 candies are taken. Okay. Now, how many candies are left there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what will be the answer? 5. This is the subtraction. I hope you understand this. Okay, my students, now I'm going to tell you about vertical subtraction. Here you can see some board markers are there. So, first of all, I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many board markers are there? 6 board markers are there. The process of subtraction are same. You just see the difference is their place values are different. I'm not adding two board markers in front of them. I'm placing them values that we are going to skip or leave or take away. We just place two board markers are below downwards them. Okay. Okay. Okay, for example, I have 4 board markers and now I am going to take away 2 board markers into 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I am going to take away 2 board markers, so how many board markers are left there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the simple process or maybe the method of vertical subtraction. I hope you will understand and do practice at home. Thank you. Here's your homework. Do pages 105, 106, 107 and 108. Here's your homework guideline. Draw a merger line before start your work. Write date and day on the top of the page. Do homework in proper lines and neat handwriting within proper formation of words. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.